It participated in our videos too often. I have long promised you a future review of this power supply from Dragonhawk company, and today we are going to talk about Mast Circle Tattoo Power. Don't switch and stay with me until the end of the video. Hi guys, this is Olga Yakovleva's channel. Why do you need to watch my videos? They will help you choose professional equipment for your hands, and you can also get additional information about permanent makeup and tattoo. You help me when you subscribe and like it, and I can share useful videos with you absolutely free. So right now subscribe to my channel, leave comments and support us. All information in the video is subjective opinion of the author, so please read the disclaimer in the description of the video. I already talked about the company Dragonhawk company in the last video reviews, therefore let's talk about the packaging. This is a large blue and black cube with the name of our equipment, Mast Circle Tattoo Power, and a drawing that shows how the operating voltage can be adjusted. That's all. Inside, the instruction in several languages. Our power supply, we will put it off. A small black box. And USB Type-C and an adapter. Mast Circle Tattoo Power with matte surface. It's plastic and plastic is quality. There is a big round panel for changing working voltage. We can connect tattoo machine and tattoo pedal. I'm talking more about Mast Circle power supply. The Dragonhawk company informed that the device has a maximum output voltage of 15 volts and current of 2 amperes. Power supply can work with tattoo pedal and without it. Price is about $50. Let's look how do you turn on this power supply. Easy to understand and simple control. If you work without tattoo pedal, you press the round panel. For just working voltage, you have to turn the round circle panel to on the left or right. You press the round panel again and turn off our tattoo machine. If you work with tattoo pedal, you press tattoo pedal for turn on our tattoo pen. And also for just working voltage, you have to turn on the round circle panel to on the left or right. You press the tattoo pedal again and turn off our tattoo pen. Mast Circle Tattoo Power has a rubber surface for fixing on the table, for example. It's comfortable, but you might have problems if you use a barrier protection because we have to use the barrier protection while walking. For example, firstly, the power supply in barrier protection won't be fixing to the surface. Secondly, you are not able to rotate the panel to change the operating voltage. In the barrier protection is not convenient. Let's sum up our video review, guys. Mast Circle Tattoo Power is from Chinese company with a history. It has easy to operate control. Plastic is quality. Device can work with tattoo pedal and without it. And I recommend to use the Bluetooth power supply only with the Bluetooth tattoo machines. I will leave link where you can buy this device from video description. I wish you beautiful works. See you later.